I'm going to unbox NCT album. It's actually a super late unboxing. Anyway, it's okay. Even though it's late, I'm still excited to open this album. So yeah, let's open this. Wow, finally my album is here. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to open this another bubble wrap. Okay, but actually I got bonus this photo card as a bonus. Like it's a gift, I believe, because I bought at this shop. So this shop gave me the free photo card, the free PC, and it's official PC from NCT. So let's see. Oh my god, it's Songchan. This is the first time I got Songchan PC. So here 2021, but now it's 2022, but it's okay. So Songchan PC here is so handsome. Okay, yeah. Now let's open what's in this album. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. I'm afraid that I will, yeah, I will make mistake. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, why? Sad. Where are my album like this? Okay. It's actually hard to see your album like this. Anyway, see? But anyway, it's okay. Let's just open this. Ah. Oh my god, I'm so sad to see my album like this. You see? Okay, so this the plastic cover. NCT Universe. Okay, now we are going to open this. But before, we'll just hide this first. Yeah, here. Oh my god. And here, I will hide it. Let's open this album first. Okay. You go right there. Okay. So, Neo Culture Technology. Okay, good. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So I think NCT concept is kind of different from another group. Yeah. Actually, I already see this photo book in other videos because it's super late unboxing. So I already know the inside, but still they look really great. Even though I already saw it like so many times. Okay, you will not regret buying this because like they have so many members, so many pages. Wow. Profile. Wow, Joey's looks so good in this blonde hair. Ah, Utah. Okay, I think most of you already know the inside of the book, the photo book, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna just fast. What is it? Ah, what is it? Oh my god. This is actually the birthday date. Birthday. And yeah, let's see. Like so many pages. Oh, and the last one is, what is it? Oh my god, this looks so complicated. This kind of orbit universe. Oh my god. This is the lyrics. Wow, this kind you like opening the engineering student books. Wow, beautiful. This is my favorite song in this album. Okay, and this is what is this? The credits, and you got a CD. 잠깐만요. Kind of card. Yeah, this kind of CD. Okay. So yes, this is the site. NCT Universe. Oh my god. Okay, that's now we're going to see. First, we see the poster. Okay. Wow, so handsome. Like, you see it. Okay, and then next is, oh my god, I got Jeno. He's one of my bias. This, so happy. And this is like SMS. You already know. And I don't want to see the photo part. First this, oh my god, I got Renjon sticker. Okay, and for photo card, oh my god, the last, who is this? Oh my god, I got Yang, so cute. And this is, hi everyone, we're back. 2021 is back. Please look forward to our stages and song. See you soon. Okay, so that's all what I've got. See you in the next video. Annyeong.